There is a powerful tawny presence in the woodlands of Djuma, the Nkuhuma pride. 5 magnificent lionesses lead the Nkuhumas, striking terror into predator and prey alike. Together, they nurture the next generation, expanding the pride and so its strength. The lionesses have done a superb job, guiding the young from playful fluffballs to helpful teenagers. But the wilderness is harsh, and the Nkuhumas have had to weather many storms. Drought, disease, death, injury, and male coalition takeovers. The pride lives in the territory of the 4 Birmingham boys, fathers to the young Nkuhumas. But lately, they have been missing, and their absence has been noted. The 3 young Avoca males are invading from the north. Nkuhuma lions younger than 2 are in danger from these territory-seeking males. The Avocas will kill youngsters in order to bring the lionesses into estrus. For now, the Nkuhuma pride must use caution, because the lives of their youngest members are at stake.